community believes in group cooperation, discipline, honesty, and responsibility by helping ourselves and each other. We move toward becoming better individuals. Always, we can present this.
For today's reminders and instruction, I call on Staff Director Mr. Baldosa.
Okay, good morning. After lunch, we will conduct a clean-up drive. Participation is required. Let us also continue observing proper conduct, growing and respect inside the facility.
The floor is now open for observation or reminders for improvement.
I would like guys to concern regarding the cleanliness of the staging area, specifically involving Brother Deloya. We need to be consistent in the making order. I acknowledge the concern and we will be more mindful moving forward.
I would like to point out the issue of journalism during activities, particularly involving Abulin.
I accept the reminder that they will improve by time management.
I observed that after the last proximity, the church was not properly arranged by Brother Abulin.
I recognize the gaps and I will make sure it does not happen.
I noticed limited participation during the clean-up. My sister that is active involvement is expected from everyone.